Hi there, welcome to Edo Language Institute. Thank you for joining me. And today's video is a rather spontaneous one because some of you have reached out to me recently regarding the pronunciation of the Edo double consonants, like some of the most common Edo double consonants. And so I thought it would be better I make a video like this in which you can see me pronouncing these sounds, and which you can then use as practice, as a basis for practice. So that's basically the idea behind this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's useful to you. So let's get started. And by the way, if you're watching me for either you're watching for the first time, or if you watch regularly and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you do so, also click on the little bell beside the subscribe button, or there's a wasp here. And yeah, so that you can get my notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get started. Now the first sound that we'll be looking at today, that the first Edo double consonant we'll be looking at, is the B sound. The B. So it's basically a G and B sound combined. So we have the G sound and the B. So you go G B, G B. So but then you pronounce it together and you go B by closing your, I think it's called alveolar plates, like the rear end of your tongue against the wall of your mouth, like the upper wall of your mouth. So you go, so B, you close that, B, as in the word ube. That is the Edo word for stone, ube. And by the way, I won't be spelling these words out, so you can see that there's nothing here. So but you can spell it, you can write it in the comment section below, and then I'll cross check to see if it's correct. Okay, so you go ahead and write that ube, ube. So you have the B sound there. And then the next sound we have is the B sound. B, B. So it's very similar to the B sound, but this one is voiceless. So you have, when you pronounce the B, your vocal cord vibrates. But when you pronounce the B, it's voiceless. B, 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 B. So an example of a word with the B sound is, for instance, upo, upo, upo. That is the Edo word for year. So a year. Upo. You can say upo ba, 1 year. Upoeva, 2 years. Okay? So upo, go ahead and spell that in the comment section below. So B and B, B and B. Okay? So that's the first one. Now the second sound here, well, let me place this on top because I'm outside and it's a bit windy. So the second sound, wow, come on, wait a minute. Now the second sound is the V sound. This is V, the VB sound. V, V, V. Voje, how are you? Or how is it, actually, literally. V, V. You also have that V sound in Eva, Eva, which is there, or Ema, which is here, or in the word Evo, which can mean a people, a language, or a land, as in the country where a particular people live. Evo, Eva, Eva. So let me break the sound down. You see my teeth, my further, what do you call these teeth? I'm not good in biology. Okay. So I think they are called, no, these are the canine, and these are the, I can't remember. But anyway, the further teeth here, you have, it's behind your lips. So you go Eva, Eva, Evo, Eva. So the two teeth here behind your lips, V, V. Now the other sound here is the V. So it's just the other way around. So you have the two teeth behind your lips with V, and here the two teeth a little bit on top or further on your lips. So you have V, V, V. Okay? This sound here is V. This one here is V, 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 V. Okay, now that's, I hope you get it. So, V, Evo, V, Orome. That's mine. Orome. Mine. Orome. Or Ume. Well, you can see somehow I'm a native speaker. Ume. Ume. Ume is salt, the Edo word for salt. So it has this sound. Ume. Ume. Ume is the Edo word for salt. And then V. 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 Okay? So now the next double consonant is the next sound is this. Come on. Oh no. So it's the GH sound and the KH sound. So the GH sound is the R, R, R. I think for those of you that speak French, like the French people, they pronounce the arrow similar to this sound, like regardez, regarde, regarde or regardez. Yeah. Oh wow, I'm not very good in French, but I know these sounds from the French language. So R, R. So you have, for instance, an Edo word with this sound. Iro. Iro is money in Edo language. Iro. Ure. 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 So look. Ure. And then you can, for instance, if you're going to say someone is looking, or you want to say someone should look at you, it's like reme, reme, look at me, reme, me. In this context, it's me, like look at me. Reme, reme, reme. You can see that somehow when I pronounce the V sound, I sometimes also put the teeth behind my lips, but then it still comes out as V. So reme, reme. So R, ure, iro. So it's this R, R sound. And then the H sound, if you speak German, you know that, like I speak German as well as English and Edo. So you have like in German you have the machen, or in Spanish the Jose. So this I think Arabic also has this sound, the h. So let me look for an Edo sentence, Edo word with h. Oha, oha, oha is the Edo word for story. Oha. So we have this oha, oha. You can also say ohia is walk, like a walk. Ohia, ohia. Now I'm giving more more examples of nouns. So ohia, ohia is to work, but hia is to walk, the verb. But ohia is the work, a noun. Okay. So we had here iro or ure. Iro, money, or ure, look. Ohia, the work. Ohia, or is he, she, it. Hia, he, she, it is walking. Okay. Now the last two pairs here are these ones. Although they are, well, I explained this already in my very first lecture, where I showed where I talked about the pronunciation of the Edo sounds and alphabets. So although these ones, like, it's just a single alphabet, but they are double they are double consonants. Like this one, this is the j sound, j. It can also be a stronger j. So for instance, you have so it's just a y with a what do you call strish, just with a line up there, like a mark up on top. So you say je or j. So for instance, ij is the Edo word for mother or mom. Ij, ija is the Edo word for a moat, which is very particular to Edo because there is a moat that surrounds Benin City. So if you've ever visited Benin City, or if you're interested, you can Google it, the Benin moat or the Edo moat, M-O-A-T. That is Ija, and then the or Uji, the name, the Uji or Rosa. Maybe some of you know someone that is called Uji, or yeah, Uji or Rosa. And the stronger J one, for instance, OG, which is the word for thief, OG. So it's like the J in garage or Djibouti. I explained this before in my in the lecture that I will link either here or there. So J or J, J or J, IJ, Ija, Uji, and then you have OG. Now this one here is, you see here in brackets I put this Spanish ñ sound. So here is the ñ. So for instance, uñime. So this one even has 2 double consonants. They have the ñ and the v. Uñime is your behavior. It's behavior, like attitude. Uñime. You also have let me give another example. Iña is the Edo word for yam, the staple food, yam. Or enye is the Edo word for snake. So if you have if your parents are native speakers, you can go and ask them about the examples of these sounds. Maybe they can tell you, and then go ahead and write them in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to like cross-check them and if they are correct or not, and I can correct you as well, like if there's any mistake in the spelling. So we have, once again, je and ñ, je and ñ, and this is je. So it's like your teeth together, and like you let the air flow through. Je. And this one is ñ. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you. So once again, let me go through all of them again. We have the, without showing you again, so we have the b, and we have the b. We have the v as in Eva. We have the v as in ume. Then we have the r as in iro or ure. We have the h as in orien. And then we have the je, and we have the ñ. So that's it for today. So go ahead and practice these sounds, and let me know how useful and how helpful this video was. And I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. So till next time, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like it, and also just tell me how you found it. So I want to hear from you all. So until next time, take care, and bye bye.